Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the different books that came with the Mercedes. So let's start right here. They have a radio card, dealer business card from the salesman. Then we got a road assistance phone number here and some information inside. Look at the vehicles there. And the most important, the owner's manual. Very nice shape. Then a guide with all of the Mercedes passenger car and light truck dealers in the US and Canada. The owner's service and warranty information. And a service booklet. Operation guide for the radio. The vehicle care guide. A Michelin tire warranty card and owner's manual. And application for the Mercedes-Benz Club of America. So that's pretty fun. Let's go looking inside of those. Now the vehicle care booklet is pretty fun. There it seems, it looks like we have father and son washing their vehicles. And there's what you should do: wash, clean, polish, protect, and maintain. All right. Now the service and warranty booklet has a sticker from the first place the vehicle was bought. That was in New Jersey. So maybe someone knows that place. I don't know it. It also has the stickers inside. Same as the service book. We have the pre-delivery inspection confirmation, and that's from the same dealership in back in New Jersey in 1999, as well as the first owner's name and address. I haven't mentioned the quick tips, which is pretty nice. You can just go ahead and look through it if you don't want to open the big manual. And there's nothing really fun in the main manual, but it is interesting to note that this book was actually printed in Germany back then. So, just as a side note. Okay, now I'll put this back and I'll get the first aid kit out. This is what the first aid kit looks like when it's put together. And this is it. It's as old as the vehicle, so it's very sticky, probably not good anymore, but I thought I would not throw it away. So you get some band-aids, and basically all you need. It even has a little manual there. You can see what you need in case you have a burn, an eye injury, or you get a fever, or you choke in your Mercedes, whatever you need. Here, see? It's pretty neat. It's pretty neat. There you go. So that was it for today. And next time, we'll have a look at the same manuals from my Lincoln Town car, which is parked right here. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.